Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to easily transfer your USDT from your SafePal wallet to your Binance account. This process is quick and simple, but it's super important to follow the steps carefully to make sure everything goes smoothly. So, let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Binance account. First things first, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up at Binance.com. Once logged in, we'll be ready to get your deposit address. Step 2. Get your USDT deposit address on Binance. Now, once you're logged in, go to the Wallet section on Binance and click on Deposit. In the search bar, type USDT to select Tether, and then you'll need to pick the right network for your transfer. This is super important. Make sure the network you select is the same one your SafePal wallet is using for USDT. For example, if you're using TRC20 on SafePal, make sure to select TRC20 here on Binance as well. You don't want to send USDT on the wrong network, or you might lose your funds. Step 3. Open your SafePal wallet. Next, let's open your SafePal wallet. If you're using the SafePal app, make sure to log in and go to the section where your USDT is stored. Step 4. Send USDT from SafePal to Binance. Now, select Send to initiate the transfer. You'll need to paste in the USDT deposit address from Binance that you copied earlier. Just make sure you double-check the address to avoid mistakes. Make sure the network you're using matches the network you selected on Binance. For instance, if you're using TRC20, make sure to send it as TRC20 on SafePal. Once you've confirmed the details, go ahead and enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. Your SafePal wallet might ask you to verify the transaction with a PIN or other security method, so just follow those steps to authorize the transfer. Step 6. Wait for the transfer to complete. Now, you'll need to wait a few minutes for the transfer to be confirmed on the blockchain. This can vary depending on which network you selected. Be patient and don't worry, it's on its way. Step 7. Check your Binance account. Once the transfer is complete, go back to your Binance wallet and check your USDT balance. You should see your funds appear there shortly. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance. As always, make sure to double-check all the details before confirming any transactions, and be sure you're using the correct network for your transfers. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more crypto tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Chatife.